If you want to join the affiliate program of Upwork, let me explain how it works. The affiliate program means that if someone creates an account or logs into Upwork through your referral link, then Upwork offers you a percentage as a commission. As it is clearly written, if you search in Google by typing Upwork affiliate program, you will see in the second option that it even says you can make $100 a day through affiliate marketing. To join this program, you will click on the option that says affiliate program. Once you click, an interface will open in front of you. Just like we did earlier, you will see two options, sign up and log in. Since I am already signed up, I will click on log in. After clicking log in, a new interface will appear where my name is also visible. Now, after this, you will see three options displayed on your screen. It will ask you a few questions, and then you will click on Get Started. At this point, you will again be given three options. The first is I am a brand. The second is if you are promoting a brand, and the third is related to your experience level. If you have any prior experience in this field, then you can select I have some experience. And if you are an expert, then you can select I am an expert. For a moderate and balanced choice, we will select I have some experience. Click on Next, and the next question will be, what's your biggest goal for freelancing? You will see four options. First, to earn my main income. Second, to make money on the side. Third, to get experience for a full-time job. And fourth, I don't have a goal in mind yet. Whichever answer you feel is most suitable for you, you can select it. For example, I clicked on the second option, to make money on the side. After that, click Continue. Then, you will be given two more options. I would like to find opportunities myself, and I would like clients to find me. I selected the first option. I would like to find opportunities myself. After that, we continue. Next comes the profile creation step. Here, you will be given three choices: import from LinkedIn, upload your resume, or fill out manually. If you choose to fill out manually, it will take you around 15 minutes. Once you start, you will see various fields that need to be completed. For example, you will click on Add next to your skills. Then, you must select one category where you want to work. If you are an IT expert, you can click on IT and networking. If you are a web designer, then you will click on Web, Mobile and Software Development. Similarly, if you are into sales and marketing, you will click on that category. And if your focus is design and creativity, then you will choose that. For now, I selected design and creativity. As soon as you click it, you will see 8 to 10 sub-options. For example, you may choose art and illustration, graphic design, photography, product design, video and animation, and many others. If you are an IT expert, you will see options like ERP, information security, database administration, and so on. You can select multiple options, but it is recommended to choose only those that are most relevant to your expertise. For demonstration, I selected 2 or 3 categories at random and then clicked Next. The next step is to specify your skills. Here you can add relevant skills such as brand development, animation, branding and marketing, or illustration. Once you add your skills, click Next. Now, it will ask you about your professional role. This is where you describe what you actually are. For example, I wrote software engineer. If you have certificates, you can upload them. Then you will see the option to add your experience, but you may also click on Skip for now. After that, you will be asked to add your education. If you have any certifications, awards, or additional achievements, you can add them as well. For now, I skip this step. Once completed, it will show you that your profile is looking good. Now it will ask you about your language proficiency. You can select from basic, conversational, fluent, or native. For demonstration purposes, I selected basic and clicked Next. Next, you will be asked to write a bio to introduce yourself to the world. The easiest way to do this is to go to Google or ChatGPT Write something about yourself, refine it, and then paste it here. Like I just copied and pasted some text for demonstration, but you should write something original about yourself. Never simply copy-paste. Always personalize your bio. After that, you need to set your rate. Here, you decide how much money you want to work for per hour. Keep in mind that Upwork takes a service fee. For example, if you set your rate at $5, then after service charges you will actually receive $4.50 in your account once the work is completed. Now you need to upload your photo and add your location details. It will ask for your country, street address, city, province, and phone number. After filling this information, you will click on Review Your Profile. Once reviewed, your profile will be ready. You can still edit and update it later if you want to improve it. After completing all of these steps, your profile becomes active, and you are now officially part of the Upwork affiliate program.